as well.
The Fiji Performing Rights Association has included another new category for their awards night in May. Today they have added the hip-hop category for the first time to recognize the work of the local musicians.
I think we've been talking about this award for 2 weeks now, and so we were doing our research, trying to look at everyone who's producing, what kind of hip hop they're producing, what are the lyrics about, what are they singing about, what are they lamenting, what are they praising, and it's just amazing to note that Fijian hip hop is quite a unique sound. You know, I think that they will agree with me here. Not too long ago, we were mirroring the origins of hip hop, which is, as everyone knows, the Americans. But our sound now and our lyrics is unique to our situation.
For one of the first artists in the country to produce hip hop music, this is a great opportunity for them.
I know that this is a really great opportunity for us as practitioners of hip hop to come forward, and for those of us that aren't registered with FPRA, this is the opportunity, and it's another added incentive to become members. I think there's been a lot of efforts by hip hop artists in the country to